India's flag was not always the Tiranga you see today. The Ashoka Chakra replaced another symbol, and the flag once had strict Khadi-only rules. Even more surprising, an Indian flag was raised in Europe 40 years before independence. Stay till the end for 10 amazing facts about the Tiranga that most Indians have never heard. Fact 1. The design evolution and its origins, 1921. My tribute to the iconic freedom fighter and designer of our national flag, Shri Pingali Venkaiah ji, on his Jayanti. Pingali Venkaiah was born on August 2, 1876 in present-day Andhra Pradesh. He grew up to become a fearless patriot, scholar, and visionary. Working closely with Mahatma Gandhi, Pingali Venkaiah designed the early version of India's national flag, a symbol of unity and freedom. After a few modifications, his design was officially adopted as the national flag of India on July 22, 1947. Today, Pingali Venkaiah is remembered as the father of the Indian national flag. His remarkable legacy continues to inspire generations of Indians. Fact 2. The precise geometry, 2:3. The Indian national flag is not made in any random shape. According to the Flag Code of India, every official flag must be rectangular with a precise height-to-length ratio of 2:3. This means if the flag is 2 meters high, it must be exactly 3 meters long. The fixed ratio ensures that the tricolor looks identical, balanced, and dignified wherever it is displayed. Fact 3. The mandatory material, khadi. Did you know the Indian national flag has traditionally been required to be made from khadi? Khadi is a hand-spun and hand-woven cloth that became a powerful symbol of self-reliance during India's freedom movement. Mahatma Gandhi promoted khadi as a way for Indians to become economically independent. The flag's material was therefore not just cloth, it represented the spirit of Swadeshi and national pride. Traditionally, the flag was required to be made only from khadi. However, after amendments to the Flag Code of India in 2021, machine-made and polyester flags are permitted in certain circumstances. Fact 4. Color symbolism, deep meaning in every band. The 3 colors of the Tiranga are not just decorative, they carry a powerful message. The top saffron band represents courage, sacrifice, energy, and selflessness. The white band stands for peace, truth, and purity. The green band symbolizes fertility, growth, and prosperity. Together, these colors reflect the values and character that India aspires to uphold. Fact 5. The Wheel of Dharma. At the center of India's flag is the navy blue Ashoka Chakra, known as the Dharma Chakra, the wheel of law and righteousness. It was inspired by the lion capital of Sarnath, built by Emperor Ashoka. The chakra has 24 spokes, often interpreted as the 24 hours of the day, reminding the nation to keep moving forward. Its deep blue color represents the vast sky and the endless ocean, symbolizing stability, depth, and progress. Fact 6. The first hoisting on foreign soil. Years before India became independent, revolutionaries were already creating symbols of resistance. On August 22, 1907, Madame Bhikaji Cama unfurled the flag of Indian independence at the International Socialist Conference in Stuttgart, Germany. The flag had green, saffron, and red horizontal stripes, along with 8 lotus flowers representing India's provinces. Although it was different from today's Tiranga, it became one of the earliest flags to represent India on foreign soil.
This is the flag of Indian independence. I appeal to you to support this cause. Vote for the freedom of India.
Fact 7. Private citizen rights. For many years, ordinary Indian citizens could fly the national flag only on selected national occasions. This changed after industrialist Naveen Jindal fought a legal battle for the right to display the Tiranga freely. In 2002, the Supreme Court recognized flying the national flag as part of the freedom of expression under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. Following the judgment, the Flag Code of India was amended, allowing citizens to hoist the flag throughout the year, provided they followed the prescribed rules. Fact 8. The regulated manufacture of the Tiranga. India's national flag cannot be produced casually. Official khadi flags must follow strict Bureau of Indian Standards specifications covering fabric quality, colors, stitching, and exact dimensions. The Khadi and Village Industries Commission plays an important role in overseeing certified khadi production, ensuring that the Tiranga maintains its authenticity, dignity, and legal standards. Fact 9. Half-mast for mourning. The position of India's national flag can convey a powerful message. According to the Flag Code of India, flying the flag at half-mast is a sign of mourning and national grief. This protocol is observed on the death of certain high constitutional authorities, such as the President or Prime Minister. The lowered position of the Tiranga symbolizes respect, remembrance, and the dignity of the nation in times of sorrow. Fact 10. High-altitude majesty, the Tawang War Memorial Flag. One of India's most spectacular national flags flies at the Tawang War Memorial in Arunachal Pradesh. Located at an elevation of around 10,000 feet in the Himalayas, the large tricolor stands against a dramatic backdrop of snow-capped mountains. The flag symbolizes the courage, sacrifice, and grandeur of the nation in one of the country's highest inhabited regions. From its first revolutionary designs to the Ashoka Chakra, from Khadi to the Himalayas of Tawang, the Tiranga is far more than a flag. It is the story of India's courage, sacrifice, unity, and continuous progress. Every flag tells a story. Every country has a mystery. Join Country Quest Enigma as we explore the world, one fascinating fact at a time. Jai Hind.